Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 27 how to hide the number of subscribers on your channel on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio, make sure you're signed into the account, and then I will not be doing this from the main channel. I have a backup channel. Go to YouTube. I will be searching for that channel that I used in the previous tutorial. QuickTime Technology. Click on this channel and then make sure you're signed into that channel. Go to settings. Go to channel, go to advanced settings, scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen where it says subscriber count, display the number of people subscribed to my channel, check the tick, click save, and now the number of subscribers subscribed to your channel will no longer be visible to the ones who have subscribed to your channel or subscribed to your channel in the near future. Go back to my main channel, reload the page, and now the subscriber count is no longer visible, so we can quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.